Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we write a word or a sentence using bullet points. So to write it, let's suppose I'm writing a word, okay? So before writing, what you can do is write star and then press space, okay? And then start writing anything. Similarly, press star, then press enter or space and then start writing. So this way your entire sentence or the word that you're gonna write will start from a word. Similarly, if you are writing a sentence, let's suppose I'm writing here after writing the sentence, select them, click on home, and here in this paragraph group click on bullets. Just after clicking, your both the sentence will come under the bullets. So this way guys, you can write anything under bullets. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.